Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of How Logical. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to redeem your Vanilla gift card online using your desktop. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Open up a web browser. In the search field at the top, type in vanilla.com and press enter. You'll end up in the official website of Vanilla. Go ahead and log into your account if you are not yet, and once you're logged in, click on this Have a Vanilla gift card check balance link at the top right hand. If you'd like to use your Vanilla gift card for any online purchases, then you'll need to go ahead and check your balance and review your transactions. Type in your card number in the text box and head over to the next field and type in your expiration date. Once you're done, type in your CVV number and finally click on the sign in button. Soon after you do that, simply follow the on-screen prompts and you'll be able to redeem your gift card with Vanilla. That is how it is done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.